So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, and at the top, the total miles of the car, which is 26,602. If we press the button on the end of the indicator stalk, we'll get various different bits of trip computer and fuel economy information displayed in that section. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right-hand side, we have cruise control. Over in the centre is where you'll find the main stereo itself. So this is where you would pair your phone before you can use it. Hit the phone button, and then up on the main screen, we would hit this button for add, but we're not going to do that. We're going to hit this button at the moment for close. So this car's got the radio, of course, and you'll see up on the screen we have DAB, a couple of DAB frequencies. We'll also have a couple of AM frequencies as well, and then FM on top of that. CD player, as you can see just there. If we hit the auxiliary button, this car has got USB input, which you can see being displayed on screen now, and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo, we have deadlocks to lock the car doors from the outside. We then have the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Once you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. Same button again will turn it off. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing, and the direction of the air as well. Any manual adjustment of the fans will take auto straight off again. Underneath that, we have stop and start, which you can turn off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. We have a heated driver's seat with 2 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.